The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and every one. This is the Dancehall Skilla, and right away I want to say something right away because I want to get this point across right away, and I hope that each and every one understand what I'm about to say. You see me? Now, first things first, viewers and subscribers. You have poles that are placed in many places throughout cities and towns and places within the country that persons are from. You see me? And this happens throughout the world. You see me? And these poles has electrical wires that are being placed on them, and these electrical wires carries electricity through and through towns and cities and places throughout a country. You see me? And this happens in many places in the world. You see me? Common knowledge this. You understand me? Now, me look at this video and me see this person on top of a roof in the rain, or you can say during a rainfall, and this person handling electrical wires while the rain fall and on top of a roof. You see me I say to you? Now, Mr. look at it and I say, you know, say maybe those wires are not connected to the wires that are on the pole. That me I say, no. You see me? But then again, me look at the video and I say, no, sir, but even if those wires are not connected to the wires that are on the pole, this person is too close to the pole during the rainfall. You get what I say to you? Me look on something like this and me look on it as dangerous. What me I try to say is that even if the person is not trying to connect the wires of a house to the wires that is on the pole, is what I say to you, I still find it to be dangerous because the person is in the rain and standing on the roof, and the person is close to the pole that has electrical wires on it. Is what I said to you? So I'm just telling you what I think about what I've seen in this video, and viewers and subscribers. As I mean, you can tell me if me wrong or you can tell me if me right, but me just tell you my opinion as to what me think about this video that is out on social media. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, overall, what I want to say about this, you see, at no point should anyone be working on electrical wires in the rain, especially if there's electricity in the wires. You get what I'm saying to you? Whether it be wires or wire, all right? And if you're not certified to install electrical wires in houses, or to put wires on pole, or to, you know, do electrical work, or, you know, electrical engineer, if you're not certified to do something like this that you just see in the video, you should not be doing something like what you just saw in the video. It is considered to be illegal. You see what I'm saying to you? So if you don't certified, don't do it none at all. Whether you want to be on top of the roof or not, you see me? You shouldn't be installing any wires if you're not certified. You see what I'm saying to you? Now this video is out on social media, you see, and according to how I understand some of the things that has been said about this video on social media, and according to what we see in the video as well, it seems as if this video shows off a person handling electrical wires while on a roof during a rainfall, or you could say while the rain is falling or the rain a fall. You see it? And you know, I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it, and you can also tell me what you think about what you have seen in this video. You see me? Now, I do not have any information as to exactly where in the world this had happened or when this had happened, but however, this video is out on social media. Comments had been made about this video, viewers and subscribers. I'm just bring it to you just to keep you up to date and post it and make you see what going on out there. Yes, so may I say to you? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, may have one more video to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, you see, because right about now, this whole video that I'm doing is practically showing you of two videos that are out on social media. You see me? Me just show you one. I'm not going to show you another video right about now. Now, the next video that I'm about to show you is going to show off law enforcers within a country that had somehow found some phones. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and where these phones had been found is one of the things that had been mentioned on social media, or you could say it's being talked about on social media, and the amount of phones that have been found as well is being talked about on social media about this video. Is it? Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where in the world this had happened or when this had happened, nor do I have any confirmed information as to if these phones had been stolen or not. Alright? But however, this video shows of some phones that had been found at a certain spot. Right? And it's not only phones alone that was found, but other things was found as well at this spot. These phones were found in a hole that is within a building, and may I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it, and you can also tell me what you think, and you can also count the amount of phones that you see in this video. Alright, so I'm going to present the video to you right about now, viewers and subscribers. Alright, and for those who might not like to see things like this, you know, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now take a look, listen and observe.
Pabellón D4. ¿Entonces qué haces? Cualquier cantidad de chips. Entramos aquí el hueco, en donde se encuentra un bolso, algunos cargadores. Bien, teléfono celular. Bolsa que contiene teléfono, limpio para acá, otro teléfono, más, uno más, cargadores por acá. Vamos a poner por acá otro. Okay, múltiples teléfonos. Múltiples teléfonos.
Línea 1734.
Se puede quebrar ahí, se puede parar ahí. Hay exageración de trabajo. ¡No! Hay exageración. Aquí hay mucho más. Tenemos uno, los pequeños. Cargadores. Tenemos otro más, otro más, otro más, dos más aquí, algunos fierros. Droga. Encontramos más droga. Delante marihuana. Ahí hay una. Más marihuana en cajetas. Tienen otros celulares. Droga. De cocaína. De cocaína.
Busquemos un espejo, por favor. Un espejo.
Con la mano, a ver, pero no siento más, excepto que para acá, al fondo, que se ve una galeta, se siente fuerte, pero no, parece que ya no hay nada más. Permítame un momento.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it, make you know what I go on. Yes, so may I say to you, and you can count and tell me the amount of phones you see in the video. You see me, I will leave my comments as to the amount of phone I see in the video. You see me, I will leave my comments in the comment section and tell you how much phone I see. Yes, so may I say to you, yeah, and you can let me know what you think about these two videos. Okay, alright. Now, this is where we leave it, viewers and subscribers. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.